We're just going to give you a quick tour of the office. This area right here is where our new patients will come and have a seat before we get you back.
Then right over here is our first room for therapy. This is where we have our traction table. A lot of our patients use this for their treatment plan. It's just a therapy to get you nice and relaxed and ready for your adjustment with Dr. Martin. Everyone loves it. And then right back here we have a second room for our other traction table back here. And then this little nook over here is a stretching area. And then to the left here is our Vibe plate. We use this to strengthen our patients' soft tissues for whenever they were in a car accident or have whiplash. Right in here.
This is where our new patients are going to come. We'll utilize our digital imaging system to take the highest quality films so we can get to the root of your problem.
And then all throughout the office, you're going to see different frames like this full of Dr. Martin's credentials and education. He's worked really hard to get where he is today. And now we're going to take you to Dr. Martin's office. If you'd like to follow us there. So after our patients have finished their therapy for the day, they'll come in here and have a seat here for their adjustment.
And then Dr. Martin will go over the findings from the x-rays we took earlier, and we'll get you back to the life you want to live. And then right out here is where the real magic happens. This is our area where we're just going to go do what we need to do behind the scenes to make it as smooth for you as possible.
So if you're struggling with sciatica, osteoarthritis, headaches, definitely headaches, anything that's keeping you from dancing, working out, sleeping, we want to help take care of you. So
that's it.